Rainy season is also called wet season or monsoon season. Rainy season starts in month of June and ends in September. This season is preceded by the summers. In rainy season, plants, trees and grasses looks very green and attractive. In the rainy season, the black and dark clouds, lightings covers the sky for hours. Children enjoy this season to the utmost. They take shower, float paper boats, and dive in the water of rain. On rainy day, peacock spread their feathers and frogs dance to celebrate the charm of rain. Rainy season increases our water storage sources like dams, ponds, rivers well full. Rainy season is very helpful for agriculture. Women at home serves delicious hot spicy dishes and hot drinks to family members. Rainy season cleans our environment from pollution. Sometimes rainbow appears in the sky and children enjoy seeing it. People use colorful umbrella or raincoat boots to keep themselves dry during rain. Rainy season is the best season for cultivation of fruits, vegetables and some other crops. Rain makes the weather so cool, pleasant and refreshing, so everyone loves this season. Happy running from It's a Learning Track. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos.